David, President Trump wants governors to be more appreciative of what the federal government is doing to help states, and he has done nothing to hide his disdain for Governor Inslee.
He's a failed presidential candidate. He's a nasty person. I don't like the governor of Washington. So you know who calls? I get Mike Pence to call. I get the head of FEMA to call. I get the admiral to call.
Well, I guess if you don't have anything nice to say, maybe don't say anything to each other. I mean, it's really no wonder the president doesn't like Governor Inslee. When Inslee was running for president, he called President Trump a white nationalist. He said that Trump was the biggest security threat to the United States. Just about a month ago, when the virus really started to spread here in Washington state, Inslee tweeted about his call from Vice President Mike Pence thanking Inslee, to which Inslee had said, "Our work would be more successful if the Trump administration stuck to the science and told the truth." Look, this is really a time for two sides to be coming together in a crisis. We have real needs in our state. We need the federal government's help to tackle that. We have a shortage for personal protective equipment for our healthcare workers. We need field hospitals to deal with hospital bed shortages. And like every other state across the country, we need more testing kits. So is this ongoing fight hurting? Well, today, Inslee was pretty complimentary of the help he has received.
We actually have had hundreds of thousands of shipments from the federal stockpile to our state that are today throughout our system of our hospitals. I think we have good open communications, as indicated that I talked to the Vice President today and had a professional and discussion. Look, we're going to need a lot more help from the federal government before we're out of the woods.
He's constantly chirping, and I guess complaining would be a nice way of saying it. We're building hospitals. We've done a great job for the state of Washington. Michigan, all she does is she has
Well,
no
for now,
idea.
what we can say is that the posturing has not led to penalizing the state in its efforts to fight this pandemic. In fact, Governor Inslee today saying that the vice president has played a key role in removing some regulatory hurdles to help in that fight. David?